Hi friends, okay, so this week at Bashas, starting on Wednesday, you're gonna be able to get chicken breast with bone-in and skin on it or leg quarters for 87 cents a pound, and you can get up to 2 packs for that. In addition to that, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only those 3 days, you can pick up asparagus for 97 cents a pound at Bashas, and you can get up to 6 pounds at that price. So I thought with those 2 items, why not make a meal for under $5? I'm gonna say around $5 to $6, depending on whether you have rice with it or not. And you can cook it in 30 minutes and in one pan. It's called asparagus garlic chicken. So here's all the things that you're gonna need. So what I've done is, this is a smaller version than what I have on my blog, just for the sake of time, but you're gonna need about 2 to 3 pieces of chicken breast. And if you buy the bone-in, with the skin on it, you're gonna need to debone it and take off the skin, which I've done with this piece. And then you're gonna need to cut it up in cubes. So first you wanna prep the chicken, and you're gonna cut it up in little pieces so it cooks faster, about a ½ inch thick. And like I said, for the recipe that I have on my blog, you're gonna need about 2 to 3 pieces of this, and that's what's gonna cost you $5. This is gonna cost you even less. This is about a meal for 1 or 2 small eaters. So I'm gonna cut it up like this, and I like to do that so it cooks faster too. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Just a little bit, just go by what you see. And then you're gonna wanna take, and I use this reduced recipe because I'm not much that's into high calories. So you're gonna use, in the total recipe, you're gonna use a total of 1 tablespoon of butter. But for now, what you're gonna do is put a ½ tablespoon in the pan and let that settle there. And then you're gonna put in your garlic. So in the recipe that I have on the blog, it calls for more garlic, but for this abbreviated version where it's like half of it, we're gonna use just 1 teaspoon of garlic. And then we're going to use about, oops, the teaspoon's not there. We still got some garlic stuck. Sorry about that. And then you're gonna use about 3/4 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now keep in mind, I have all these spices, so I did not count that for the cost of the meal that it makes, because I'm just assuming that you all have spices already there. And then you're gonna use about less than a ½ teaspoon, so 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And like I said, the recipe on the blog will have more. And then you're gonna just saute that for a few minutes. Let me get my little spoon here. Let that melt in with the butter. Just like that. Do this for about a minute, so you can really smell the garlic flavoring come out. And then, now you're gonna add the chicken. And you're gonna cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. So it'll take about a total of 10 to 12 minutes to cook. And you're gonna do that, and then once that's done cooking, you're gonna set it aside, and for the sake of the video, because I don't wanna bore you to death, when the chicken is done being cooked, you're gonna push it to the side, and then you're gonna add your asparagus. So you need about a pound of asparagus. Chop it up thinly like this, or you can make your pieces longer, whatever you prefer. Then stick it in the pan for about 4 to 6 minutes, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and at that point you also add the ½ tablespoon of butter to that, but just set the chicken aside so it's still cooking. And then once the asparagus is cooked, you mix it all together, and you have a meal in 30 minutes or less that's gonna cost you $5 or $6. And this is what it's gonna look like. So I did this on a bed of rice. So with the bed of rice, it's probably gonna come out to about $5.50, $6, depending on how much rice you cook, but that is your meal. So I will have the complete recipe posted on my blog. Just head to smartshopperdaphne.com. And on a side note, don't forget to sign up for the July newsletter. I have an exclusive deal from Yogurtini on frozen yogurt. All I'm gonna say is $5 is gonna get you a lot of frozen yogurt. So as always, I appreciate your time, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.